It feels like you're in another world, you know. It's so wonderful and so peaceful and it's very beautiful. This ancient town, you know. I haven't seen one of these places before. It's so dynamic.
Hello, 你好.
Yeah.
You can say 你好. You can say 你好.
Little bit. Nick, no?
Where are you from?
We're Pakistan.
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 Australia.
The town is pretty good, and this is like one of the ancient, most beautiful towns in China. It's very beautiful and very colorful. So the night lights will be very nice when we go to the old town. But it's really great. So we'll keep moving outside to explore further. The lighting will be coming up, and they'll make the whole city very, very lovely and beautiful. That's beautiful. See, this is a beautiful architecture. You can see the things look beautiful. More or less it looks like close to the Tibetan culture, you know. But this is old city, so things look much prettier, you know. Look at this sunset and all these there's a cloud on the mountain over there, and I think that's a temple somewhere on the mountain. These lights are coming up, and then the mountains behind, and this town just underneath the valley. It looks really beautiful. Look at this things, you know. There's lots of tourists around at the moment. There's tourists everywhere. There's lots of youngsters, you know. They're having a beautiful costumes and just enjoying the. Wishes, you know, here. See this? It's beautiful costumes. Look at these lanterns, you know, they're looking really great. They're beautiful. So this is a tea shop. So different tea varieties here. You can find. It's enjoying. So these are the pastries. Chinese pastries, sweet pastries. So you can find these people, giving the direction, information, and guidance as well. And there is a presence of the security, police, and all sort of things. They are around, making sure everyone is safe. But overall, I found this China is very safe. Look at this view, All these wooden cottages, they're made of wood. They look beautiful, So different things, you can buy. They just sample testing and all sort of things. So I think this is the whole food court here. Everyone is people are just, all these vendors are looking for the customers. People are just going around them. This is a bridge here. And this is the water feature. You can see. Are they getting married or what's going on here? Lots and lots of people. I think it's so crowded. You could see these people are coming from everywhere. So we are coming at the main square now, and you could see there's lots of fun going on at the moment. People everywhere, and there's a music going on, live music going on upstairs on this old buildings. We're just feeling a bit tired, so we sat on this wooden bench. Our son has gone to. He's come back. Oh,
in a turn there.
Wow, that's beautiful. So, okay, let's go there then.
Crazy. Some he'll turn.
All right. Okay. Well, we'll go there. All right. All right. Okay. Let's go. There's some locals there just talking to my son.
Hello, 你好
Yeah.
You can say 你好 You can say 你好
Little bit. Nick, no? Which part of China you are? Which part of China you are? Are you local? Are you coming from somewhere?
他讲的听懂没有？
听没有听懂？我先过来。sorry，啥手机给我哈？
好吧，手机。
你有豆包？你停下来讲呢？你停下来。
They just the Chinese family. They're just having a fun.
你停下来讲。你有豆包不讲？你喊出去。你喊出去说的对吧？你向我讲嘛？你喊出去说的，你不讲。
你给他讲，你不会讲 nice to meet you。
我怎么直接喊出去讲一遍，我来不讲。
What are they saying?
我给豆包的话讲，我说。
No.
Where are you from?
We Pakistan. Pakistan.
Australia.
We live in Australia.
Okay.
Pakistan. Live in Australia.
Welcome to China.
谢谢。
Welcome to China.
谢谢。
我跟着等着你了。
So they are taking our photos.
Okay. I want to make a friend with.
Show this small bridge. This bridge looks very colorful and it's very difficult to walk actually on those with a lot of sides, you know. This side is very busy. You can see this. It's just people everywhere, you know. And this looks so beautiful from here, you know. Have a look on this. This is amazing, you know. This it's a small water picture going on. This like a canal. Yeah, looks like a movie, you know. Like a movie scene, you know. So amazing, so beautiful.
ये तो एंटरटेनमेंट ऑफ स्ट्रीट है क्लब बाउंड्री एरिया
It's like all the musical clubs and the entertainment and all sort of things, you know. We're not going inside. We're just going and enjoying the scenery from outside, you know. Again, there's more wishes here. You be careful from here. So it seems that we got ice cream time. So we see that how it goes. How much it costs. These are the touristy places, so definitely the prices are quite high, you know. So it's a sweet shop as well here. You could see this Chinese sweet shop. These are traditional Yunnan medicines, you know, and herbs and all sort of things. Yeah. There are a lot of herbs, you know, used in the medicines. Yunnan has been so pretty much famous in these things. This is a much open and wider area here. Everywhere you go in this old town, you know, it has got its own beauty, you know.